Hey everyone, want to create recurring tasks in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to automate repeated tasks and keep your workflow organized using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, go to the space folder or list where you want to create your recurring task. Now create a new task or open an existing task that you want to repeat regularly. Add a clear task name, description, assignee, priority, and any other details needed to complete the work. Next, open the task settings and find the recurring task option. Choose how often you want the task to repeat. You can set schedules like daily, weekly, monthly, or create a custom recurring pattern based on your workflow. Select when the recurring task should start and decide whether the task should create a new copy after completion or follow another repeat schedule. Review the recurring settings and save your changes. Once activated, ClickUp will automatically create or update the task based on your selected schedule. Use recurring tasks for regular activities like weekly reports, team meetings, content publishing, maintenance tasks, or routine checklists. Finally, review your recurring tasks regularly and update the schedule if your workflow changes. And that's how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. By automating repeated work, you can save time, reduce missed deadlines, and keep your projects running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.